Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another Master Affiliate Profits video. In today's video, I'm discussing with you the one thing that I talked about, I believe it was on Sunday. I mentioned that I was going to be doing another video about something else, and it was about being salesy. Now, Master Affiliate Profits has taught me many things. It's been a great program to be part of, and I've gotten lots of leads, I've gotten sales. It's been a great system, and it teaches a lot of things, especially about affiliate marketing. It also gives a lot of different things like lead sabotage. So what I mean by that is Master Affiliate Profits stops lead sabotage from happening. So when you go and have leads inside of Map, they don't get stolen from a vendor. So when you're getting into affiliate marketing, what happens usually is that you go and you basically promote offers. But what happens is that when someone buys an offer, they usually end up on someone else's list, and then they get marketed to by the vendor and by the affiliate that referred them. So Master Affiliate Profits stops that, and they also have built-in programs and stuff that your leads will actually upgrade to and stuff like that. They have lots of training on lots of training on things in the affiliate marketing space. I've mentioned them in almost every video, but I've got them up on the screen here. So yeah, there's like list building training, email marketing training, traffic training, stuff like that, all under one roof. You know, it's not like some big huge course that you're gonna buy for $1,000 or something like this, or something like that. So Master Affiliate Profits is great. I've been with it now for I think it's been a couple of months, and I've gotten some sales. I haven't been able to drive traffic recently, but I've mostly just been doing organic traffic. But I will be throwing some more traffic at Master Affiliate Profits very soon. I also am trying to space it out too, though, so that when I'm getting paid traffic, you know, I'm not getting a whole bunch of paid traffic today and then going and getting more paid traffic tomorrow and then getting more paid traffic. You know, you don't have to do, like, you can do a free organic method if you want. Like, you can check out the trainings here for video marketing and things like that, and learn how to do video marketing and then learn how to do social media. But anyway, that's just some things you can do, and then you can also do blogging as well. So you can do all kinds of different things in affiliate marketing and learn it all under one roof with Master Affiliate Profits. So this is why I kind of like Master Affiliate Profits. It's a few of the reasons anyway. Plus they have live trainings and things like that. Great stuff. But what I wanted to talk to you about today, now on the weekend I talked a little bit about, I'm just going to go to my little Google Docs document here. So I was talking about don't let more than 3 days go by without doing something to move your business forward. And we talked about watch one training video, write one post, share your map link, follow up with one lead, and revisit your goals. Now, another thing I want to show you guys today, and this is basically what I was talking about on the weekend. This is the video I wanted to do. I basically said something about not being salesy or something like that. What I was getting at was, so everyone, believe it or not, has been a salesman or sales lady in their lifetime. So what I mean by this is, sorry, I'm just going to quickly, I'm going to actually do this. Everyone has been a salesman, salesman or sales lady at some point in their life. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever, I'm going to write out a couple of things here, and maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but let's see. Have you ever, okay, told someone about your favorite Netflix show? Oops, didn't mean to do that. Have you ever told anyone about your favorite ice cream flavor? And then I'm sure you can think of something else for number 3. I just want to write a couple out so that, you know, we're not staring at a blank screen after I write. Everyone has been a salesman or a sales lady. So the reason why I ask these questions, if you have done this, or, you know, maybe you told someone about something else that you're really enthusiastic about, you've already done affiliate marketing. The only difference is that you haven't gone paid for it. What I'm getting at here is a lot of people, and I've had this happen. I've had a lot of people come to me and they've said, "Oh, well, I'm not salesy. I can't sell anything. I'm not capable of doing this." And let me tell you guys something here. Let me get you guys on the right wavelength. If you have done any one of these things, have you ever told someone about your favorite Netflix show, or told anyone about your favorite ice cream flavor, or, you know, insert your own here, you have sold something, okay? If you've gotten someone to act on watching a Netflix show with you, or eating your favorite ice cream, well, you've already done affiliate marketing and you just didn't get paid for it. And a lot of people come up with these ideas of, oh, well, I can't do master affiliate profits because I can't sell. I can't do master, you know, I've heard it so many times. I can't. And what I wanted to get at today is this. Whoops. There is no such thing as can't. Okay? So this excuse, right? It goes back to like when we were younger. Now, when I was younger, I always got told there's no such thing as can't. I said many times when I was younger, you know, it was more so I didn't want to do it. But when I said, I can't do that, I can't do that, I can't do that, I can't do that, my parents would sit there and go, there is no such thing as can't, you go out there and do it. The thing that I was actually saying was this: I don't want to. And that, you know, the same people that say I don't want to, especially when being given something that is amazing, like Master Affiliate Profits, for instance, those same people are the same people who will go and complain about, well, I'm not making any money online, or my job sucks and I would really like to leave it, or hey, you know, insert problem here. And those same people will be the first ones to say, I can't do this. Okay? I can't sell. I can't because I don't have time. It's never, ever, ever about they can't do something. It's that they don't want to. And I mean, think back to when we were kids. You know, you didn't want to do something, so you just said, I can't. So, I got something to kind of kibosh that mindset, which is, you know, instead of saying I don't want to, you know, give something a try. Try something new. I know that that's kind of a, you know, a lot of people sit there and say I don't want to because of a few things. Either A, they're scared to take action. Okay? They feel like they don't have time. Or, you know, insert, again, another problem here. To be honest, this doesn't take very long to go and take your link and, you know, try and get leads, okay? I literally don't do much during the day as far as this goes. Like, I've got a lot of things that are set up and working for me. I sometimes, maybe I have to, like, I do a few different things during the day, but to be honest, to talk about map, it takes me like 5-10 minutes, and if I do a video, let's say 30 minutes. I do 30 minutes of work a day, and if you're only doing map, that 30 minutes is still enough time to do something quick. So you can make a few posts for social media, you can, you know, do all kinds of things. But this being scared to take action. Now, you know what? Do you think that I wasn't scared to take action? No, when I came to affiliate marketing, I was scared of everything. not scared of being online, because to be honest, you know, I'm not scared of being online. I know what I'm doing online. I know what I'm doing with computers. I'm not saying that you have to be tech savvy for this, by the way. I'm just saying that, you know, I knew what I was doing online and with computers and stuff. So for me, that's not what I was scared of. I was scared of taking action on things because I had the feeling of I couldn't sell, or I had the feeling of, you know, now I had started talking the other day about, I own my own window cleaning business, and I've mentioned this quite a few times throughout being online. I've talked about my past business that I had, where I was the owner of my own window cleaning business. Now, being online is a little bit different, but you are still a business owner. But this whole being scared to take action thing, you know, a lot of the people that started out in affiliate marketing started by taking action, okay? And they are where they are now because they learned how to take action and how to build on that. And if you don't take action, you never will accomplish anything. Think about, all right, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to sports. I'm going to use a sports analogy because I love sports. Let's say that, I'm trying to think here. What was his name? Tom Brady. Tom Brady, I can't even believe I forgot his name because he was actually my favorite quarterback too. Tom Brady, okay? A lot of people know him as an NFL quarterback. Now, do you think at all that Tom Brady got, like, born with a football in his hand? No, he did not. And he had to start at the very lowest point. You know, when he first came into football, it was, you know, he was starting out fresh, didn't know, you know, didn't know anything about about football. And, you know, he took action. He joined the team, his first team, and, you know, started playing. And I don't doubt for one second that man was probably scared to take action, but he did anyway. And he became very successful. So what I'm getting at here is that there are many people that you can probably, you know, again, insert insert famous person here. You know, insert that person into the story, but think about where they are now. Think about where they might have started. They probably were scared to take action too. You know, I don't doubt, you know, the Jeff Bezos and the Elon Musks and whatever else of the world. I'm sure they were all scared to take action at some point until they built their own business and stuff like that. And anyone who's, you know, a sports person, like anyone who's a player in sports or whatever, I'm sure they all started by taking action, but they were scared to take action, right? But they still pushed through it and took action. They don't have time excuse, I hear this one a lot as well. It's actually funny to me because when they say they don't have time, I go and ask them a few different questions. One of which is, do you go on Facebook after your day at work? Well, yeah. Do you watch TV after your day at work? Yeah. Okay. Do you go to the bar with your friends? Yeah. Okay, if you answered yeah to any one of those or all three, I hate to tell you, but you have time to be doing this because it does not take very long to do this. And if you really are serious about changing, you know, the outcome of things and you want to start making money online, then you need to drop this excuse. But again, you know, it comes back to they don't want to, so they make up excuses. And then it kind of goes back to, well, I can't do this. But what I'm trying to say is that these are all excuses. Excuses do not exist when you are wanting to change your life for the better. I have seen it too many times, and it shocks me because there are people that literally, they say, I want to make money, but I don't have time. Well, you're already putting a limit on yourself, and that's a problem. When you start putting a limit on yourself, that's when, you know, you're not going to have success. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you because I know that I had mentioned it on Sunday there, but I just wanted to kind of, let everyone know that if you've got the fear of selling and you think, oh, I'm not salesy, I can't do this, um, you know, everyone has been a salesman or a sales lady at some point in their life, because if you've gone around talking about something that's your favorite and you've gotten other people to get that same favorite thing or watch that same favorite thing or whatever, you have already basically sold people on stuff, and you've sold, like, you basically done affiliate marketing. That's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You learn about something, if you like it and stuff like that, and it works for you, then you go out, you promote it, and that's what I'm doing right now with Master Affiliate Profits. I'm sitting here telling you guys about it and telling you how great Master Affiliate Profits is and why I think you should get Master Affiliate Profits and join my team. I do offer a free course when people join my team, which you can do down at the link below. So thanks for watching this, guys. I hope this has cleared up some maybe some of your own fears of getting started or whatever, and I hope this helps you guys see that you don't have to be anything special to start. You just have to start. If this video has helped you guys, make sure to share it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification and subscribe, and remember to help build the community, because it's not just my community, it's our community. Thanks for all you guys do. Thanks for viewing the video, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Cheers.